Hello students, very good morning. Today is our computer class. Today we will study about organizing information in documents. In last class you must have studied about how to create a document in Word. How can we create documents in Word file? Now in this lesson we are going to study about how to create a table. Now see here, first we will do some warm up. Identify and write the names of the options labeled here. See, this is the ribbon area. This is the ribbon area on the computer. Whenever we start computer and open the Microsoft file, Word file, we can see this area in which tabs and groups are present. See here, file, home, insert, page layout, these are the tabs. Now first is see, here we have to write down the names according to the numbers. First one is the home tab. Home tab. Second, what is this? It is the tab in which we can change the language of the words. We can take or change any language. Third, it is the number given here. Now, what is the use of this? It is used to change the font of the words. We can change the fonts. Next is fourth number. See, it is written in big letters, so we can change directly in the big letters. So these are some icons, these are some options you have studied. You just mention here names. So now in this lesson we are going to study about how to create tables, formatting tables, modifying tables, inserting header, footer and page numbers. Now here one task is given. You are the junior captain of primary school. Your teacher has asked you to collect information of all the students who want to participate in the upcoming sports meet. Also, help your teacher to create details of various sports events and organize the information. Now, see, whenever there are sports in the school, we have to store the information. Now, how can we store information and how can we organize any function or any sports meet? So we have to make a tables related to it. So let's start tables. Now what are tables? Tables are used to present data in the form of rows and columns. Now what are tables? These are used to present data in form of rows and columns. We can make rows and columns like this. See, here table is given. A row is a horizontal series of cells in a table. Now row, what is a row? Row is a horizontal. Horizontal means like this, straight line. Straight series of cells in a table are known as row. This is the first row, this is second row, third row. These are the rows. And column. A column is a vertical series of cells. What is column? Column is the vertical series. Means this is the first column, serial number. Second column, name. Third column, telephone number. Fourth column, address. So, there in this table 4 columns are there, and how many rows are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rows are there. So understood, this is the table, and table consists of series of rows and columns. The intersection of a row and column makes a rectangular box called cell. Now what is a cell? See, In tables, cell is the intersection of row and column. First row and first column. This is the first cell. First row and second column. This is the second cell. Like this, there are many cells present in the table. A table is useful in organizing and presenting the data in an effective way. For example, if you want to maintain the telephone numbers and addresses of your friends, then you can record them by making a table. Because of table, it is very much easier to maintain any information. If you want to save any information regarding many persons or many things, you can make a table so that you can recover it at any time. See here, one example is given. Find out the telephone numbers and addresses of any 10 of your classmates. Write the information in the given table. Now, in this type of table, here, how many rows we want? 10 rows. Why? For 10 classmates. And how many information we have to save here? First of all, we have to do serial number. Then we have to put name. Then telephone number. Then addresses. This is the proper table. And in this table, we can have list of 10 students, their telephone numbers and also their addresses. See, answer the following questions. Number of rows in the table. Now in this table, how many rows are there? We have counted how many rows? 10 rows. Number of columns in the table. Number of columns, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And number of cells in the table. Now, how can we count number of cells in the table? How many rows are there? There are 10 rows and 4 columns. That means 10 into 4, that is 40. There are 40 cells. Now next, moving, creating a table. Now this is the manual table we can prepare. But on computer, how can we create a table? Now there are 3 ways to create tables in Microsoft Word. In Microsoft Word, there are 3 ways we can create a table. First is, to create a table, follow these steps. Open the document. On the Insert tab in the Tables group, click the Table drop down arrow. See here, whenever you open Microsoft Word, you have to click on the Insert tab. Here, first is Home, then it is Insert. On Insert tab, there is the option that is Table. See here, Tables. On that table, you can select the number of rows and number of columns. They will come in the bright color. From the Insert Table grid, select required rows and columns. You can select in this manner. If you want only 2 rows and 4 columns, you can select only this much. See, 2 rows and 4 columns. You have to select this much and place it on the work area. So you can get the table here. Second method is to create a table using Insert Table option. Follow these steps. See, when you open the table group, you can see your options, that is Insert Table, Draw Table, Excel Spreadsheet and Quick Tables. So first is the Insert Table. So first we will click on the Insert Tables. Click the Table drop down arrow. Then from the drop down menu, select Insert Table option. The Insert Table dialog box appears. When you click on the Insert Table, this type of box appears. This type of dialog box appears, and in this we can insert, we can manually write how many rows and how many columns we have to make the table, and we can also add the width or contents to the table. So you write here how many number of columns and rows you have to insert, and you have to just click on the OK. Type or select the number of rows and columns to get the desired table size, and then we have to click the OK button. And the third method is to create a table using draw table option. Follow these steps. On the insert tab in the tables group, click the table drop down arrow. From the drop down menu, select draw table option. Drag the mouse to draw rows and columns. Now see here, first is insert table and then is the draw table. In the draw table option, you have to click and just move the cursor to the working area and you can create the table. You can draw the table as many rows and columns whichever you want. So these are the three methods to create a table on the computer. So revise this up to here. Here activity is given. Collect information in the following format for the upcoming sports meet. Now insert the table in a Word document. Name of the student, class and section, age, name of the sport and house. This you can prepare the table